Did you know someone made over $74,000 in just 1 month using this brand new AI tool? That's insane. But here's what's even crazier. This person doesn't have any special skills. They don't know anything about technology and they're not even good at writing, so how did they pull it off? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it step by step so you can start making money as soon as possible. If you're ready to learn how to use ChatGPT to make money online, then stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it. By the way, if you're new here, welcome to the Earning Guru channel where we discuss the latest making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. And if you're interested in making money online, then consider subscribing so you never miss another video. Now, before I get into today's video, let me ask you something. Are you tired of the same old boring side hustles that never seem to work? You know, the ones I'm talking about, surveys, data entry, and those shady GPT websites that just want your personal information. Well, if you answered yes, then you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you a brand new tool that will allow you to make up to $0 per month without any experienced technical knowledge or fancy degree. And the best part is it's completely free to get started. But wait, I know what you're thinking. There's no such thing as a free lunch, right? Well, you'd be wrong because I'm not asking for anything in return. All I ask is that you hit the like button below and leave a comment on this video. It really helps me out, and I'm sure you will agree once you see what I am about to show you. Okay, now let's get to the juicy stuff. Let me introduce you to a website called ChatGPT, which allows anyone to post their conversations with ChatGPT and earn money based on the number of likes their post receives. And here's the crazy part. The more likes you get, the more money you make. Users with the most likes each week are eligible to win $1,000. That's a lot of money for simply posting your chat conversations. But you may be wondering, why would ChatGPT allow people to make money off their platform for free? Well, it's because ChatGPT isn't actually giving away the money. Instead, the money comes from a venture capitalist firm called Andreessen Horowitz, also known as a 16Z, who believe in rewarding users for providing valuable feedback to OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. By posting your conversations, you're helping OpenAI improve ChatGPT, which in turn makes the bot smarter and better for everyone. So you might be wondering, how much money can I really make on ChatGPT? Well, according to some users, the earnings potential is limitless. One user revealed that he earned approximately $75,000 in just 1 month by posting his ChatGPT conversation on ChatGPT, and here's a screenshot of his earnings to prove it. That's a lot of money for just posting on a website. Now let me show you exactly how this works step by step so you can start making money as soon as possible. First, you need to visit the website and create an account. Don't worry, it's completely free and takes less than 1 minute to sign up. Then click on the button in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the option that says Start a New Post. Next, copy and paste the code into the text box and click on the Send Message button. Once the conversation has finished, scroll down and click on the Share to Social Media button. Finally, share the link to your social media accounts and repeat the process until you have multiple posts on ChatGPT. Now you may be wondering, why does my post need to be approved? Well, it's because ChatGPT wants to ensure that all posts are high quality and provide real value. Typically, it takes less than 15 minutes for a post to be approved. And once it is, you'll start receiving likes and money immediately. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it take to receive payment? Well, payments are made every single Monday to all users who have completed the verification process. To get paid, all you need to do is enter your payment details once, and you will receive your money automatically every Monday. Now you might be wondering, how do I maximize my earnings on ChatGPT? Well, there are 2 ways to make the most money on ChatGPT. The first way is to post high-quality conversations that provide real value. You can do this by asking ChatGPT to help you with things like writing, marketing, business, finance, and more. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about how to start a business or how to create a marketing plan. You could also ask ChatGPT to help you with more technical tasks such as coding, web development, and data analysis. The second way to maximize your earnings is to promote your posts on social media. By sharing your posts on social media, you'll be able to reach a wider audience and get more likes, which means more money. Make sure to use relevant hashtags so people can find your posts easily. You can also run ads on social media platforms to promote your posts to a highly targeted audience. This is a great way to get started with paid advertising, and you can do it for very little money. It's important to note that you can't copy and paste the answers from ChatGPT directly onto ShareGPT, or else your post won't be approved. However, you can paraphrase the answers yourself, or use a paraphrasing tool to rewrite the answers in your own words. This will ensure that your posts are unique and provide real value. Just keep in mind that you shouldn't use any tools that are against ChatGPT's terms of service, and that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can start using ChatGPT to make money online. Remember, the key to success is to be creative and think outside the box when it comes to your posts. Ask ChatGPT to help you with all sorts of things, from writing to marketing to business, finance, and more. And don't forget to promote your posts on social media using relevant hashtags and paid advertising. With a little creativity and effort, you can start seeing results in no time. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried using ChatGPT to make money online? If so, what are your thoughts on it? And if you haven't, would you consider giving it a try after watching this video? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, if you're looking for more ways to make money online, then you're going to want to check out this video next. I'll see you there.